Okay, hi guys! So it's gonna be my first unboxing video, and as you can tell, I have 101. Finally! Canada Post had like this strike thing, so I didn't get it until now, or else I would have gotten it sooner. Oh my god, I'm moving my tripod. This is my first time filming it, so this will be really difficult for me because I've never filmed an unboxing video before. Because I usually just like to open my albums. They did open it prior to give priority to people who wanted their biases for photo cards. So hopefully I got Sungwoo, Daehui, or Minhyun. Those are my 3 biases in 101. I would have had 2, but Minhyun got into 101 and he's my newest bias. So that means I have 3. And let's see. Let's go with this version. I don't know which version this is. I know that there were 2 versions and then there was the Kino one. But this is the first one. Can my camera focus? Alright, so this is the first one. This is really hard for me to film. They all look so cute. Why? Look at how cute they look. Okay, but this is what the album looks like. And oh, when you open it, there's an envelope and then they have the photo book on this side. Like their last album. Oh, should I look at the photo book first and then look at the envelope? Yeah. Okay, so okay, so that's the CD. Oh my god, that looks really pretty. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Looking at this just makes me want to cry because, like, I mean, who doesn't want to cry looking at this photo? Like, it's so cute. Look at Guanlin, man. Okay, okay. This is gonna be hard for me to do. Maybe I'll put it down. I'll do it. Okay, so this is the... I'll just flip through it. Oh, Daniel. Okay. Okay. I can totally see this. I'm gonna try and angle this a bit more lower so you could see it a little bit better. Damn. Okay. Okay, Daniel, okay, I see you, boy. Minhyun, oh, my king. He's so beautiful, like, his features are just so godlike, like, oh my god, can we talk about this photo? This one too, oh my god, he's so, ooh. Okay, so I'm dumb and my card was full. So, I think as I was saying, I think when it cut off I was saying how beautiful this photo was, but it's really beautiful. And then we got Jaehwan and the plaid pants. And like, I don't know, this look suits him really well. That's what I think. I don't know. I don't know if it's like the sweater or the pants or together. Like, I don't know. Disco. Ooh, okay. Oh my god, he's so beautiful. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. This gives me like crush vibes. Like, I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but like, just like, oh my god. This phone, oh my god, no, I'm gonna change my phone lock screen to this. I swear to god, he's so beautiful. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I love you so much. Oh, Guanlin! Oh my god, this photo of Guanlin is really pretty. I like the perspective of it, like, it's like, the lights are a lot closer, but he's a lot farther. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And then I like this one with the background of the lights, and then how his photo is like on top, like, it's so cool. Oh my god, this is a really cute photo, like this set, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm living. Oh, Woojin, okay, hello boy. Kayla's gonna die. Oh my god. Oh, okay. This is like golden hour pics, like, okay. I'm like checking to see if my card's full. Like, damn. Oh, Jisung! Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Oh. Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh, damn. Ooh, okay, okay. Oh, Jihoon's in the like, I like this a lot. Like, this is blurred, but then this isn't. Oh my god, it's really pretty. He has like the greens, and it's like so pretty. This photo is so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, Sungwoon, Mel. Oh my god. This photo, I saw this photo, and I think Mel's profile picture on Twitter was this one for the longest time. It's so pretty. Like, I don't know, this vibe that they give off is like really pretty. Oh, okay, Beijing Young. Beijing, I see you, boy. Model stance. Okay, I see you. I see you. Oh my god, Phoebe! Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh my god, Selka Day. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh my god, and the little oh my god, this photo. Oh my god, I'm living. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. I love them so much. Oh, and then their thank you letters. Probably won't understand any of them unless they speak in English. Oh, Jihoon's is so short now. Oh, Beijing's is so long. Oh. And one last page. Oh. Okay. Now it's the moment of truth, guys. Who did I get? Oh my god. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. If there's any background sounds, I'm so sorry. My parents just came home. Oh. Okay. Wait, is that everything? No, there's one more. Oh, it's just the ticket thing. The golden ticket that they always give you in the album thing. And then that's everything in the envelope. So let's see who I got. So we get this. Okay, so we get this like little card thing. Wait. Oh, they're stickers. Okay, these are stickers. Sorry, my bad. They're stickers, and they look so beautiful. Okay, sorry about that. And then, oh, I see Jaehwan. I got Jaehwan. Kayla, hit me up. Kayla. Hit me up, Kayla. I got Jaehwan. Okay, cause I didn't really like specify who specifically I wanted besides my 30 biases, and then after that I think I said group, and then I said doesn't matter. So I got Jaehwan for the, what do you call this? Like the bookmark type thing, like the long one, this one. And then, wait, I heard something. I don't know where it is though. It's somewhere here. Oh, I got Daehui. Wait, I need a white thing. Like, what's white here? Oh, look, I got Daehui. Oh my god, my child. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh, baby, he's so cute. Oh, okay. I got one of my biases, so that's really cute. Is there anything else? No? Okay. So these are the lyrics, I believe. Yeah, so they talk about the track list and then the lyrics to their songs. Comment down below what your favorite song on the album is, because mine is Flower Bomb, track number 4. It is so beautiful. All the songs are really beautiful, but I don't know why that one just stuck out to me. So yeah. Okay, so that's what I got in the envelope. So let's move on to the other version. And I'll do the same. I'll look through the photo book and then I'll see who I got for photo cards. And then we'll do the posters. Cool? Cool. Okay. So this one is the desert-y one. That one was like the rustic one. So let's see. Same thing, but it's grayish instead of blue, like the silver. Oh, that CD, guys. Can we talk about that? Like, oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh wait, okay. I think this one's the blue one's the romance version. This one's the adventure version. I think. I'll Google it and I'll like see. All I know is that I got both versions. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, I really like the color scheming of this one. It's very pretty. Okay, I also zoomed in a little bit so that you could probably see a bit better. I don't know how... I'm sorry. I flipped it and I saw Daehui. I don't know how exactly to film these types of videos. Like, my setup is really weird right now. But, yeah, so... Oh my god, aren't you like a year older than me? Like, how? Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. I'm at a loss for words because damn, Daehui, you are so beautiful. That's a very low cut shirt. Oh my god, oh my god. I think Kayla got this version, so I think I saw it already, but... Oh my god, I'm getting blown away for the second time. Like, oh my god. Okay, Woojin. I think we talked about this. Like, we were like, whoa. Oh my god. This photo is actually really pretty. I really like how this photo turned out. I just think it's like, it suits him. Oh, Jihoon. Okay, hello, boy. He has the necktie thing. Ooh. Ooh, he looking, Jesse, he's looking at you. Jesse biases Jihoon, Kayla biases Woojin, and Mel biases Sungwoon. So if I ever refer to them with their biases, that's probably why. Oh, this photo. This is a nice photo. I feel like this would be a nice Saturday photo. Oh. Oh. Damn. I don't know if I like this version or the other version better. Like, I don't think I can... Ooh. Jisung. Okay, hello, buddy. Damn. Okay. Ooh. Aw, that little smile. I see you. I see you. Ooh. Sungwoon. Mel. These would be such good Salka photos. Like, oh my god. I like how they overlay the photos like on each other. Like, it's really pretty. Oh, Minhyun! Oh my god, when I say he's a god, he looks like a god. He's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, just like, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, Jaehwan and a leather jacket. Like, never expected it. Like, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, this unit photo, like sub-unit photo, I mean, like, damn. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, oh my god. Oh my god, you're so pretty too. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's such a nice photo. Oh my god. Oh, Daniel. Okay, hello. That's actually a really like pretty photo with the light leak. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that light leak was really pretty. He's wearing Gucci. Oh, Beijing. Okay, hello. He has the choker and everything. This is a really pretty photo. I really like the scenery in the back. Ooh. Okay, buddy. I see you. Oh, Gauntlet. Oh, he looked like a detective in this photo. Okay, boy. I see you. I see you, Gauntlet. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay, hello. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. This looks so pretty. Oh my god. Like, we talked about this. We were like, they're so far from each other. Like, they're like all close, and then there's like these two gaps. And we thought it was kind of funny. Okay, and then the thank yous again. I think it should be the same. It should be the same. Yeah. Daniel's is actually pretty long too. Bajan's is really long though. Guanlin wrote in Chinese. That's so cute. Okay. Okay, for the moment of truth, let's see who I got, guys. Okay. 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 Let's pull these out. Oh my god, I don't want to ruin this envelope. And then the golden ticket. Yeah, the golden ticket. And I think that's everything in there. Let me just check. Okay. So, oh frick. I accidentally looked at who I got. Okay. But I got Jaehwan? Jaehwan again, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I got Jaehwan again. Wait, let me focus. Okay, so I got Jaehwan again for this like bookmark photo card thingy, like this long one. And here are the stickers. Ooh. Wait, focus. There we go. Oh my god. Oh, this is so cute. Oh. And then the lyric book is like the same as the last one. Yay, fun. And then I got Guanlin. I accidentally saw, but I got Guanlin. Oh my gosh. Look at it. It's so cute. Will it focus? Look at it. Oh, that's such a cute photo card. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed that I only got one of my biases for it, but like that's okay because at least I got one, you know? Like sometimes people don't even get their bias, and like I'm happy I got at least one photo card with my bias. Okay, let's see the poster now. I'm very excited for this because I specifically got the poster. Let me zoom out and you can see the tripod like, so I'll move it back. Okay, posters. I'm so nervous at the same time. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh my god, that's such a beautiful poster. You know what I realized? I like guys in shorts. Like, okay, Davey. Oh my god, Minhyun looks so cute. Can we talk about that? Like, oh my god. They look so cute. Oh my god. Songwoo too. Okay. So that's the romance version one. I'm pretty sure it's called romance version. If it's not, then I'm so sorry. Ooh. Oh, I like this one. This one's a lot nicer. Like, I don't know. Look at my 3 biases. This is a pretty one. I'm very happy with it. Oh no, there's a light glare. Can you guys see that? And that was my unboxing for 101. If you guys want to see me unbox more albums that I get in the future, give this video a thumbs up and let me know. Because I never really did unboxings, but I was like, hey, I'll do it for 101 because it'd be funny if I started crying. I'm surprised I didn't start crying actually, but yeah. If you guys want more, let me know and I'll totally do that. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.